here's the fan. Alright. Let's see. Find some information. I don't do heights well, so y'all bear with me. Let's see the sticker. Oh, here we go. Extra dirty too. This time I like it. I think that's the sticker I need. Y'all hold on. Whenever I get up off the ground, I get more wobbly than usual. There we go. 2.65 amps for this? This must be an older fan. Is there a date? Probably that 1198. 320 watts is crazy for this. This ain't no doggone original. That is insane for that fan. All right, let's test her out. This powerhouse, I should say. Or power hog, actually. I'm gonna start it off on low. Decent low. Actually a functional low. Faster than aesthetic, but since it's actually moving some air, we'll take it. Huh. Sounds like this fan has some issues. Kicking sound. Just kick it up to medium. Oh. Oh yeah, she's got some problems. Probably been rocked a few times being out here in the garage. Jeez, it's moving that much on medium? Oh my. This had to be a decent fan back in the day. For something you can get at Home Depot. Because it's throwing a little breeze enough to sit out here and relax. Oh my. She's seen better days for sure. A little nervous about kicking it up on high, but let's do it. It's blowing the leaves and stuff around. Yikes. Lots of noise, lots of wobbles, but hey, it still runs. Alright, let's get a spin down. I'd say the bearings are still good. Just needs to be balanced and secured better. Wonder if it has a pot metal mounting bracket that's failing. Sounds like a safety issue. Those blades are extra thick. Look at that. And it's got a decent pitch. That blade looks a little out of whack. It's a decent fan. Must be Harbor Breeze's answer to the Infinity by Hunter. Because it has that huge switch cap. And those blades, you got to take the switch cap off to get to. First glance, that's what I thought it was. Yeah, those bearings are great. Just a lot of other stuff going on with it. Including spiders. Look at that. Yikes. I'm gonna have to talk to my manager about this one. Might need to go. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. Random Hampton Bay fan and a vacant.